Today I'm making carnivore brisket bites. And for that you'll need about half a kilo or a pound of beef brisket. And then slice that up into about 3/4 inch strips and use a much sharper knife than what I was using here. It's the one I didn't cut my finger off. Season that well with some salt. And you might also like to include garlic powder and onion powder if you can tolerate those spices. Add some lard or some tallow to a hot frying pan and then brown the brisket strips on both sides. Once they're nicely brown, transfer those to the pressure cooker bowl.
Okay.
And
That's it. Pour it in.
add in a couple of cups of water or some stock if you've got some. Whack on the lid.
Press it until I say stop. Press.
And now we're going to put that on for
again.
30 minutes.
Yep. And again. And again. One more. Stop. Good job.
And while you're waiting, you might want to do some cooking with some dirt. I was running short of time, so I let the steam off or the pressure off manually this time around instead of letting it go naturally. And transferred the brisket strips out of the pressure cooker. Dry them off with a paper towel. And then I cut those up into about 1/2 inch cubes. Or maybe they're about 1 inch. Once again, some hot tallow or lard in the frying pan. Put the beef brisket in there. Flip them over. Just so that they're a little bit crunchy on the outside, but still tender on the inside. I was pretty happy with the end result. They're quite tasty. I definitely would have added some additional seasoning to those to make them even better.